Okay, so Jason, this is your whoop, and it's gonna come just like this with this cable attached to your receiver. That's your receiver plug right there. Okay, and this is how you bind it. So all you have to do is take this. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do it different this time. I'm gonna use my phone charger, so hold on a second. Okay, so this is all you gotta do. Take your phone charger and plug it into this little module. Just like that. See how the receiver automatically started flashing? Take your radio. After you already have a new model set up, hold the bind button, turn it on, and hold it about 2 feet away.
Binding. DSMX 11 milliseconds.
Let go of the bind button.
Bind complete.
And now it's bound. You can see the LED is solid on the receiver. Then you can unplug your phone charger, turn off your radio, unplug this plug, and take this little plug right here and plug it in. It's really easy to do it with a pair of pliers, which is probably what I'm gonna do. So hold on a second. I like to use a pair of pliers. It makes it a lot easier. Just grab the sides of the plug. Come on. Oh man. Alright, there we go. Got it partway in. Get it lined up and then push it in with your fingernail or something, because you don't want to be ripping on it with the pliers. So there we go. It's plugged in. Now you should be good to go. So let me put a battery in here. These 250s fit really tight in here, the Newbie Drone ones. The Tiny Whoop 255 milliamp hour is thinner, so it doesn't hold it as good. But these Newbie Drone 250s are thicker, and they fit in here just really tight. Okay, now next step would be to turn your radio back on. Wait until this lights up, which means the receiver's on. Then plug the battery in. Now you got the receiver LED on, your camera's on. See if it's going to arm. So auxiliary 1 should be arm. Yep. And it's arming. So let me hover it real quick to make sure everything's okay. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Woo! Pretty zippy for a dead battery. Alright, so I hope this video helps you get it bound. It should, because if you follow the exact steps that I gave, you know, it'll work. So there you go. And you got the 20,000 kVs on here, so you said you wanted it fast, so it's gonna be fast. Let's see just how dead the battery was, so we get a good idea of how much power it's gonna have on a full battery. .77, so pretty much dead. And it had a nice punch, so it's gonna be pretty punchy. So there you go. So the parts that I needed came DHL, which comes at like 10:30 in the morning, and my mail doesn't come till like 4 or 5 in the afternoon. So I was able to get this finished, and I'll be able to get it out in the mail today. So I'll get it boxed up for you and send you the tracking here in a little bit. All right.